In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change who can access your files in Dropbox. Managing file access in Dropbox is essential for maintaining control over your shared content, whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing with friends. Let's dive right into it, and by the end of this guide, you'll have all the information you need to fine-tune access settings in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to Dropbox.com and sign in with your credentials. It's always a good idea to make sure you're logged in with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Dropbox profiles. Once you're logged in, navigate through your files to find the specific file or folder for which you want to update access permissions. Whether it's a work document or a personal photo album, locating the exact item on your main Dropbox dashboard is the first key step. After you've found your file or folder, look for the Share button. It typically sits right next to your item, making it easy to start the sharing process. Clicking this button opens the sharing window where you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to your selected file or folder. It's a useful overview, especially if you've shared this content with multiple people in the past. Now, next to each person's name, there's a drop-down menu. This is where you can adjust their level of access. You have 3 options to choose from: Can View, Can Edit, or Remove. Selecting Can View allows others to see the content without making changes, while Can Edit grants full editing capabilities. And of course, Remove will revoke their access entirely. It's all about tailoring these permissions according to your needs and ensuring that only the right people can contribute to or view your files. Beyond individual permissions, you might have a link to your file that you'd like to manage as well. To do this, locate the Settings option, often represented with a gear icon. Clicking this brings up link sharing settings, allowing you to choose who can open your file through the shared link. You're faced with 3 distinct options here: anyone with the link, only people invited, or team members. Choosing the option that best suits your situation can help protect your files from unwanted access. Once you've made the necessary changes to both individual access and link settings, remember to hit the Save button. This final step ensures that all your modifications are applied and that your file permissions are updated accordingly. Not pressing. Save could mean your changes won't be implemented, so it's crucial to confirm your settings before closing the window. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully adjusted who can access your files on Dropbox. Whether it's for privacy, security, or collaboration reasons, knowing how to manage these settings is invaluable. Thanks for watching, and happy Dropbox managing.